Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, the latest flagship from Xiaomi that aims to push the boundaries of smartphone innovation. Let's explore its features, exterior design, and overall performance to see if it lives up to the hype. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon chipset, offering lightning-fast performance and efficiency. Paired with a high refresh rate LTPO display, it delivers a smooth and immersive experience whether you're gaming or browsing. The battery capacity has been improved, supporting ultra-fast wired and wireless charging, making sure you never run out of power for long. Xiaomi has also optimized software integration with HyperOS, providing a seamless user experience with improved AI-driven features. One of the biggest highlights of this device is the camera system. Xiaomi continues its partnership with Leica, equipping the 15 Ultra with an advanced quad-camera setup featuring a new periscope telephoto lens for incredible zoom capabilities. Low-light photography has also taken a step forward with larger sensors and AI enhancements, ensuring crisp and detailed shots in any lighting condition. The video recording capabilities now support 8K resolution with improved stabilization, making this phone a powerful tool for content creators. In terms of design, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra exudes a premium feel with its sleek metal and glass construction. The curved edges provide a comfortable grip, while the ceramic back option adds a touch of elegance. Xiaomi has also made improvements in durability, incorporating Gorilla Glass Vitus protection and an enhanced IP rating for better water and dust resistance. Despite housing a massive battery and powerful camera hardware, the device remains lightweight and well-balanced. With all these upgrades, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra stands as one of the most feature-packed smartphones of the year. The combination of top-tier performance, a stunning display, and an industry-leading camera system makes it a strong contender in the flagship market. While it comes at a premium price, it delivers exceptional value for those who want cutting-edge technology in their pocket. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smartphone content. See you in the next one.